Hello, welcome to my channel, guys. Today we are going to learn a very simple version of Happy Birthday, and I hope you learn from it, you enjoy it, and I hope that you can play whenever you want to make some birthday wishes, and you make it very special to your loved ones. So let's begin. We'll use only 3 chords. First one is the C chord. Second one is the G chord, and the third one is the F chord. Okay, so I will only use down. So let's begin. Make sure that your ukulele is tuned. Okay, so let's begin. We'll begin with the C chord. Okay, C chord. Happy birthday to, switch to G, to you, remain at G. Happy birthday to, come back to C, you. Okay, let me show it to you again. C, we begin with C, switch to G, remain at G, switch to C. Happy birthday to you, remain at G. Happy birthday to, back to C, you. Now we'll be at C, and unless we say the name, we'll remain at C. When we say the name of that person, we'll switch to F. Happy birthday dear, suppose it's Tara. Happy birthday dear Tara, come back, bring your fingers to F, Tara. Happy birthday, come back to C, switch to G, to, come back to C, U. Okay, let me show the last one again. We'll be at C, unless we say the name. When we say the name, we'll switch to F, and then we'll remain at F for once. We'll come back to C, then G, C. Okay. Happy birthday dear Tara, happy birthday to you. Now let's bring it all together and let's hear it, how it sounds. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Tara, happy birthday to you. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, share, subscribe and comment on my channel. Please share it with your friends, and I hope I remain a constant in your ukulele journey. So bye bye, take care.